here circle. Okay. Point, and here you can make it. So basic always I start from the circle, as you know. Yes, beta. Make it first this.
Are you all my personal dreams? Everything you know is in your mind.
Sir,
Yes, beta.
I finished soon.
Okay. Yeah. Just a minute. Well, that you understood the basic shapes. I make it a basic shapes, little bit more basic shapes details. Hi, Tapan sir here. You're not joining class today, Nikhil. Okay, okay, please join. Okay. So now after that, this is the nose. Okay, this is the nose line. So this is the nose. So you can create the nose over here. Okay. So just line straight start from here. Okay. Yes, 1 and 2 like this. Okay. Here you can create the nose. Okay. তুলি পরে এসছ? তুলি রূপম ফোন করেছিল আসছে মানে দিদিদের নিয়ে বলছিল রূপালী দিদিদের নিয়ে আসছে বলছিল যাবো ওদের নিয়ে হুম
কোথায় আসছে?
এখানটায় ব্রেকফাস্ট করতে এসছে ইন্দিরানগরে তো বলে দেখিয়ে যাবে চলে যাবে
কে আসছে?
কেন আসছে আবার দেখাতে আসছে
কাকে?
অঙ্কনাকে দেখতে আসছে
এসে গেছে?
ইন্দিরানগরে খেতে এসছে এখনো ব্রেকফাস্ট করে তারপরে আসবে Is it visible properly? ঘরটা পরিষ্কার So basic shapes I draw this over here. Okay. This shapes only few lines I create. Okay. This is
Are you all my personal dreams?
sorry, beta. Tell me.
Finish how to do the ear.
Ear, right? Ear is okay. Just make like first 1 like this, and here 2. Okay, first 1 like this, and then 2 like this,
Okay, sir.
like this. This ear, and this ear like 1 and 2 like this. Okay. Srihan Shreya join today.
Sir, yesterday I was traveling, so I could not.
Okay, beta. Okay. Hey, good morning, Atish. Let's start this one first.
Sir,
Yes, beta.
can you show how to draw the eyes?
Yes. Eyes basically is like make circle, okay, and so not circle is like a oval kind of little, but not full oval. Circle, little oval kind of. Let's do like this only. This is, and after that you can another line. You can curve line like this. After that you make a one curve line like this. Okay.
Okay.
Are you all my personal dream?
Take time.
Everything you know is in your mind.
Sir, can you show?
Yes, please. Nice. Nice, nice. It's good going on. I make it now. It is more details. Okay, the basic step is done. All of you. Basic step is done.
Are you all my
Sir, can you?
Yeah. First make basic step properly. No, no. বেচারাটা কোন ক্লাস চুরি করছে? হুম? হুম, 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 হুম। জানাস ছিল, হ্যাঁ, ওটাই বেশি ভালো লাগছে আগের দিন এটা করেছে এটা বেশি ভালো লাগছে বড় লাগছে
পরে দাও আমি যেটা বলছি
ক্লাস ওকে so now I will do this details. First I start from the eyes.
Sir,
Are you all
Yes,
my
beta.
personal dream?
can you show how to draw the eyes here?
Yes.
Can you show how to draw the ears?
Here I show you just I show full drawing. Just see this one.
Everything you
After
know
the
is in
basic
your
steps,
mind.
what I doing? nose.
Are you all my personal dreams?
Just to make it the ear. You ask someone how to make ear. First make upper line like this, and then you make lower line like
Are you
this.
all my personal dreams?
Okay. And inside you just bring the sketching line like this. Make it fast.
Everything
This
you know is in your mind.
maximum. Take few minutes. Okay. I painted this drawing. The basic shapes I show over here. Make it circle. Basic shape. Okay. This is the eyes line. Okay. Paint I draw for you. So let join so. First make circle, and then this is eyes line, nose line, and then is eyes line. You draw one eyes, two eyes. Okay. First steps. I draw second steps. Okay. And then do like this. First steps like this. Circle.
Are you all my personal dreams?
First step circle. Second step like this. Okay, this is step 1. Circle. This is step 2. Okay. That's step 2. Join like this. From here. This is step 3. Okay, make eyes properly. Here. Okay, like this.
Done, sir.
Okay. So make it okay. We can create some stroke also. First finish few areas I using.
Sir, can I show you some here?
Sorry, Vita, tell me.
Can I show you some here?
Please. Please, please.
Everything you know is in your mind.
Sir, can you one?
Yes, good, good. Wow, that's great. We're using some little shading, okay? Little shading. So please, do the continue this one. Little settings I'm using for light and sets.
Are you all my personal dreams?
Okay, this area I'm making settings. Okay, so I apply few shading line. This is this shadow for the ear. Ear shadow is coming like this.